Hello everybody, this is little Luca here, showing you my apartment penthouse in Dubai. Actually guys, it's Jacob Rothenberg here, showing you a better view of my condo that I was able to purchase with the help of Amazon self-publishing. No longer are we going to be showing the back shots of my futon, which is not my bedroom, or even my bedroom. We're going to have some more production value going on as time moves forward. What I want to talk today is just a little bit about how things are going right now. Continuing on from yesterday, things are still moving on really nicely. Made almost 30 bucks today from the ebook version of my Python programming bundle. And for my paperback side of the business, I've made over $30 from just one book for Fortnite. So I'm intentionally hiding the rest of my keyword. That's where the magic is. You can just copy me, publish a book in Fortnite. You're not going to make sales. Like, you got to have the secret sauce, and y'all know what it is if you've been following along my channel. Like and subscribe. Watch my videos if you haven't figured out yet what I do. The answer is probably somewhere in the free videos. Otherwise, I'll tell you later on what it is. Anyhow, so why I'm talking today about this over and over with my earnings since yesterday is it's just making me feel so much more confident that I'm able to hit this degree of success off of 2 books. So I mean, I've got other books that make me money, but right now it just feels so good to be killing it again with new books. So you've probably heard this saying before: confidence breeds success. You really need to just get it going, publish some books, make mistakes, don't make your ROI, fuck it up, just totally suck at Amazon publishing and on your first 3 books, and then by your 4th book, maybe even your 5th book, if that's how long it takes, you're going to hit it out of the park. You're going to feel confident. You're going to know what it's like to be successful making money online, and from there you're going to be able to snowball that success and make some real money online with potentially what could be a full-time income, which is my goal. It's a goal that Emeka has been able to achieve, Ollie and others in my self-publishing blueprint. My self-publishing blueprint, well, I'm sounding like some Japanese dude. Blueprint will be able to catapult you to making your first $1,000 online. And honestly speaking, going from 0 to $1,000 was probably the hardest climb of my journey so far in Amazon publishing. But once you make that first $1,000, you kind of already have an idea of what to do to make money. And from there, you can build from that success and have the confidence needed to make $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $4,000 a month, which is what I've done, and more. So definitely just get going with the business. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait to publish that one fucking perfect book. You don't know what you're going to do with one book. Trust me, I didn't know what I was doing until 5-6 books in. So definitely check out my I got to be careful. My self-publishing blueprint, and I'll see you there if you need help. So otherwise, find me on Facebook. Let's connect. Let's talk. Let me know what you're doing with your books. Let me know if you're struggling. I want to hear it. I can respond best to YouTube comments since that's kind of like a post. I'm not so good with responding back to PMs, but leave me a message and I'll get back to you when I can. Right now I'm working a full-time job, but we're working on unfull-timing that. So catch you later.